What's up, guys? So setting in the WRX, as you can probably tell, it is super cold. Freaking windows are frosty as crap. But yes, I'm gonna insert some pictures real quick because I gotta warm up the car and get going. But gotta get the EM1 back home today because disaster striked in Kentucky. You probably know what I'm talking about. EM1's hurt pretty bad. I am getting it towed back here, so let me show you. Alright guys, so the EM1 is finally home. What's left of the EM1 anyways. So I got a lot of cleaning up to do, and then I gotta make some room in the garage to put it in there, and it's gonna sit for a little bit. But I definitely want to do some cleaning on it first while it's outside, and hopefully hurry up and get that done before it rains. Honestly, if it wasn't for it being an EM1 and me having it for so much longer than any of the other cars and being so close to done with it and feeling like I'd be giving up on it if I didn't fix it, it's not worth fixing. But we're going to. So it is now officially became the disaster Civic. So from the back end here, the OEM spoiler destroyed, cracked here, tail lights cracked. This was an OEM wing. Rear bumper only got this stuff here. Rear glass completely shattered. Inside is caked mud, creased, dented. Roof is pretty rough. Quarter panel's not bad on the lower half. Door's not bad other than that dent. Some major scratches. Fender is trashed. You're bent up here a tad bit, and then here. This will need hammered flat and back down. It's dusty. So this fender is completely fine. This door survived outside of the seal. Definitely got goofed up pretty bad. Little retaining clip came out. I have to put that back in. This quarter, all the lower half's fine. The top of the car was definitely, just hit with the garage as it lifted over. All the seals are goofed. And then just an insane amount of scratching, but fixable. So it does really suck. Definitely not what I wanted to happen right before it was almost done. But main thing right now is I'm gonna hook up the shop vac. We're gonna get all the glass out of the back window, and then just start wiping down the interior, vacuuming it out, and getting it ready to push inside. Ridiculous. And this thing freaking stinks due to all the nastiness all over it. But other than tools I threw back there, it's cleaner than what it was. Still got to clean the dash and that stuff. Probably gonna wait till I get it inside and just start removing panels.
What are you looking for? Keys. To what? Keys. To the car?
Yeah.
Oh, so you put it in neutral?
Well, no, I gotta be able to steer.
Oh.
The steering wheel don't lock. Oh, there's that. Yeah, that's a new header gasket. Getting blown away. cut before we go and put the wood and stuff together.
Cut the wheel this way, son, and we can pull forward.
So how do I wear it out? We should recheck that crap.
Look. Get grip, get grip. Very slowly too. Once we get going, we gotta commit.
We got shit over here.
I'm digging a hole.
Shout out to this guy.
It's not as heavy as I thought, but fuck that garage.
Yeah, that lip sucks, dude. I need boards. Alright, so now that they came over, helped get the car in the garage, getting it over that little hump was a pain, as you probably see. I have to edit a lot of that out because it took us a little while to get this thing in there. But so now that the car is in here, I think what I want to do next is assess some more of the damage. And I want to get this passenger side fender off that's buckled and look at the core support, and I'll show you why. So yeah, obviously, so the majority of this damage, unfortunately, like the side of the car wouldn't have been touched too bad other than like that dent in the door if it wasn't for the air compressor in the garage falling, which is what damaged the hood, pulled the bumper support down. But this is what worries me. I think it just needs to, I think it just pushed it down this way. I don't think it hurt any of this too bad. This kind of throws me off a little bit. Some of this may be pushed in just, I think some of this needs to come out just a tad. And then this needs to come up. But the only way I'm really going to be able to notice what's going on there is go ahead and get this wrinkled up fender that's not going to be saved off of there anyways. So I'm gonna grab the 10 mil. I'm gonna get these 3 bolts out. Looks like we don't even have the one in the door, which it's sticking out quite a bit up here where it pulled it. And then I do have the 2 down there in the side skirt though that gotta come out. So I'm gonna get the wrenching on that real quick. Yeah, we're wrinkled up here pretty good. Not bad, but it looks like it's separated just a little bit. This definitely, it just pushed it down. Basically, this just needs jacked up a little bit, and as this comes up and pull this lip back out, it'll kind of straighten a lot of that back out. So, honestly, that's not that big of a deal. I mean, it sucks. I was hoping for no structural damage, but a simple lift or a simple pull on this will at least save it. So that is a plus. So you can probably tell the old headlight brackets here. There's really no point in having it here. I'm going to go ahead and break the headlight off of this thing. Part of the headlight, and so the damaged parts off of it. So that fender, man, she got mangled, but the core support probably, that bothers me. It's not that big of a deal, but at the same time, man, certain angles looking at it, like, that definitely sucks. But we can get it. So guys, I think that is going to wrap up the video for today. There's not a whole lot much more I can do with the car, honestly. So yeah, maybe by the next video we can have a little bit more of a game plan and just get some more done on this. Maybe start taking the interior out, finish cleaning it up, and just getting it ready. The bodywork's still not even my main focus. It is and it isn't. I really want to make sure to double check over everything on suspension now that it's in here on flat ground. Still get the cylinder head back that I've been waiting on forever. Get the ECU in it, get everything, you know, together, turbo one and stuff, and at least fire this thing up and then go from there. Because honestly, if something goes wrong with the engine or something with the new build engine, it shouldn't, but you never know. It would suck to go ahead and lose an engine after starting all this body work, and then just at that point, literally the entire car has been rebuilt multiple times and it just wouldn't be worth it. So that's the game plan, guys. So be sure, you know, stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and till next time.